How to stop catalytic converter theft. Tips on Prius catalytic converter theft prevention. The theft of catalytic converters is increasing across the country. It is possible for thieves to steal the anti-pollution device from your vehicle in minutes. They can then sell it to scrap metal dealers and make several $100s for the precious materials it contains. State Farm, an insurance giant, claims it has handled more catalytic converter theft cases in 2021 than in 2020. It also reported that it had sold it to scrap metal dealers for several $100s for the precious metals it contained. Colby Sandman, owner and operator of Muffler Tech, Sacramento, California, says that a replacement for a stolen catalytic convert can run as high as $3,000 for the Toyota Prius. He noticed an increase in thefts after the lockdowns. His shop now replaces between 15 to 20 stolen catalytic converters every day. Here are 6 tips to help you prevent the theft of Prius catalytic converter from your car. Number 1. Find out if your car's catalytic converter is targeted. Knowing if your make and model are a target is one of the best ways to prevent catalytic converter theft. NerdWallet says that the prime targets are Ford trucks, the Honda Element and the Toyota Prius. Because the Prius emits very little emissions, its catalytic converter has more precious metals, such as rhodium and palladium. This doesn't necessarily mean that your Honda Civic is less vulnerable to being tempered. If your car isn't the primary target, you may not have to be as concerned. My next video will show you a detailed list of car brands that thieves are most interested in whose catalytic converters. Number 2. Install a touch sensor alarm system in your car. To prevent the theft of your catalytic converter, you should add a touch sensor to your car. It will sound an alarm when it is touched. You can stay alert and be able to spot thieves, knowing that your car's owner may be able to turn the alarm off. If you have followed through to this point, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me, and also like and share this video to support me. Thank you. Number 3. Install an anti-theft for catalytic converter on your car. There are many options available on the market, and each one can be different in terms of their pricing and application. They all work well to keep thieves away from your catalytic converter. These are some of the most popular protection devices. This is the metal plate that covers the catalytic converter, which serves as a security shield. This is a very popular option, and can be purchased for anywhere between $160 and $500 depending on your vehicle. A steel cage that thieves can't cut through. Set of stainless steel cables, which wrap around the catalytic converter and attach to the car's frame. You can either install the device yourself or hire a professional to do it. The labor costs can vary. In the description box, I will link to a place where you can buy any of these anti-theft for catalytic converters. Number 4. Paint the catalytic converter. Catalytic converter experts like NerdWallet suggests painting your car's catalytic converter with a bright fluorescent orange, with high-temp paint. A can of high-temp paint can be purchased at your local hardware store. You can then inscribe your vehicle's VIN onto the converter. This will allow you to trace the converter if it is stolen. This can help deter thieves. Number 5. Your car alarm should be turned up. You can also increase the sensitivity of your car's alarm system to discourage theft. If a thief attempts to climb under your car, the alarm system will go off. You can also install a motion sensor camera to your dashboard to capture the thief. I recommend that you have your car fully insured, even though your car insurance may not deter theft. Your insurance policy will cover automotive parts that are stolen.
I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And also like and share this video to support me. I will see you in my next video.